What's up, guys? It's your girl Ashani here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I combat the humidity and do a really cute updo hairstyle with the head wrap. All right, so I'm taking you behind the scenes to get ready with me and show you how I'm going to make this hairstyle, which is not even really a hairstyle. I don't know what it is, but humidity made my hair shrink. We gonna make it work and we gonna make it cute, okay? So make sure you keep watching. Oh, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel and post a comment. You know what to do. Okay, so first of all, I have no makeup on my face. Let's just be clear about that. This is my naked face. I am in my pajamas. So this is like very authentic, if I may say so myself. So anyway, what had happened was I did a twist out on my hair and it was nice and it was stretched and it was cool, and then the humidity hit it and we got this shrunken curly afro type of situation, which we can work with, right? But that's not the look that I want to go for today. So let me show you this. My hair looks like it's in a cute short haircut, but in actuality, my hair is actually shoulder length, if not a little bit past my shoulders. Can you see that? Okay. I don't have a short haircut, but this is what humidity does to my hair. So anyhow, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this into something a little bit more suited to my mood for today and make it look cute. So I'm starting with a satin scarf. Okay, this is going to go underneath my head wrap. I'm going to be wearing this kente cloth head wrap that I got from SBJ Boutique, which I love. I get all my head wraps from her. I have matching masks. I have earrings, bow ties, all sorts of accessories from her. And then I have a spray bottle with some water and a brush and a comb. So let's get started.